How to add an additional driver to Alamo Rental. Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial which you can follow up if you want to add an additional driver with Alamo Rental Car. So you can just go over and follow the steps. So we can directly head over, go to alamo.com, or you can even download the application and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And it's super easy if you want to do so. So you can make your reservation like normal. So first of all, enter your location, your pickup date, your return date, your time, and enter the dual age of the main driver, so the prices and the car option shows correctly. So in this driver's age, make sure you have entered the correct age, and you can click on go, and that will open up the page. Another page. You can basically follow the same normal process that you usually do in order to book. So you can select up your vehicle, etc., and click on select, and go on with the normal process of renting the car. Now, if you want to add an extra driver, you need to, come to the counter in person. And only you will be able to do so. You won't be able to have that feature online. So you just need to take the person, the extra driver to the counter in person. And they will be needing a valid driver's license. And also you must meet the Alamo's, you know, age rules. Usually it is 21 plus, young driver fee may apply it, and you can't add someone who is not physically there. So you cannot do so. And in the counter, you can just ask to add an additional driver to the rental, and the agent will check the extra driver's license, add their name to the contract, and have them sign the agreement. And that is it. And sometimes they also may charge a daily additional driver fee. In some locations, a spouse, a domestic partner may be added for free. If you're under 25, the extra fees may be applied to each driver. After that, you can just go and pay and confirm, and the extra driver will be added that way. And that's it, everybody. You may follow out this tutorial in order to do so. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.